Jalen, TheCreator here, and in today's video, I actually decided that I wanted to demonstrate SaberForge's 3 different dark side sound fonts in 3 different videos. So today will be the veteran tier, Wednesday I'll upload the gunmetal sound font, and Friday I'll upload the crimson sound font. So you can see I have Talia here in the background. Say what's up. I'll have her channel linked in the description down below, so make sure you guys go check out her channel, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first off, I want to address this. I didn't buy originally like this. I bought it as a warrior tier saber, which means it has no sound, it just has the electronic LED in it, and it comes with the bleed. So I recently got this sent back, this in my SaberForge Prodigy Apprentice tier saber. These are both Apprentice tiers, but I sent them back, the Prodigy to get repaired and this one to get upgraded. Just a FYI, I got this upgrade to veteran tier, as you can see. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the first sound font, which is veteran. So what you want to do is take out the kill key.
SaberForge Crimson.
That's the crimson one. So I'm gonna show you guys how to switch it. That's not how you switch it.
SaberForge Gunmetal.
SaberForge Viridian.
That's the one we want. So
SaberForge.
No.
SaberForge
Oh my god.
Gunmetal.
SaberForge Viridian.
There you go.
SaberForge Viridian.
Alright. Gotta be careful. One more time. Alright, now I'm going to do a demonstration with the bleeding. So, alright, so we migrated downstairs. All curtains are closed. I'm going to turn out the lights right now and we're going to turn this on. Alright. Move kill key.
SaberForge Viridian.
Firstly, I want to turn up the sound. I think it's loud. But...
Main menu. Select optical frequency 1, 2, 3. Select sound intensity low, high. Select impact sensitivity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Select motion sensitivity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All settings saved.
Alright. because I knew it wasn't loud. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. One more time. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Again, make sure you guys go check out Talia's channel. I have it linked down in the description below. Again, I'll be doing 2 more videos like this week. This video again was the veteran sound font. Wednesday I'll upload the gunmetal sound font, and Friday I'll do the crimson sound font. So make sure you guys turn on my post notifications by tapping the bell, making sure they're set to always, and like the video, like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Again, I'll be reading comments like always, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.